It's Wednesday, another afternoon tea. I'm making Ottolenghi's pistachio and ginger biscottis to have with a cup of coffee. I creamed 80 grams of unsalted butter and 110 grams of caster sugar until light in colour. I added 2 eggs lightly beaten, 1 tablespoon of brandy and the zest of half an orange. I folded in 150 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 80 grams of shelled pistachio nuts and 60 grams of stemmed ginger roughly chopped. I lined a baking tray and put the dough mix onto it. I put it in the fridge for 30 minutes until it firmed up. I preheated the oven to 170 degrees Celsius, took the dough out of the fridge, put some flour on my hands and formed a log shape about 25 centimetre long, and baked it for 20 minutes, took it out of the oven and let it cool on a cooling rack. I adjusted the oven to 130 degrees Celsius. Once the log was cool, sliced it into 1 centimetre thick pieces using a serrated knife. The log is partially baked and still quite soft. I put the pieces in a baking tray and baked them for 40 minutes until crisp. Took them out and let them cool on the cooling rack. I like this recipe a lot because the biscuits aren't super hard like traditional biscottis. They're slightly softer.